Welcome back to Customer States. Tonight we dive into the worst mechanical nightmares. Let's begin. This customer brought their vehicle in as the car key wasn't working even after replacing the battery with a brand new one.
Customer states message comes up that key is not detected. Customer would already have replaced the battery, but it's still not working. Both keys apart. Yep, that'll do it.
This customer brought their Mustang in for a service and declined new tires as he wasn't interested in being upsold on something that he says he didn't need.
It's about to explode. As I'm telling you, the whole back end fucking comes out.
This customer brought their car back in after failing an inspection due to the rust. The customer had then fixed the frame. This customer brought their pickup in for new ball joints as he had just failed a safety inspection. He then asked if the mechanics would pass it for him at their shop.
New guy just finished putting ball joints in this beautiful Chevrolet. Figured I should show you guys, this thing was in because it failed for an inspection, if you can believe it. Here in Massachusetts, we still have mandatory vehicle inspections, and well, let's go ahead and have a look-see. All right, this one failed for ball joints, so the ball joints are just replaced. It didn't fail for, the axle being broken or any of the oil leaks, because they don't really check for that sort of thing, but they do check for rust, right? And you're not allowed to have a hole that is big enough to fit your hand through, so unfortunately I think this one should fail, but don't worry about that. It got a pass on the rust. I don't know exactly what the fuck is going on here. With the torsion bars, the adjustments are a little different, but never mind that. We've got beautiful aftermarket body mount, right? That's working hard because the factory body mount isn't anymore. And we got broken leaf springs. That's fine. You're supposed to check for that, but who does? Right, it's got new shocks though, this one also brand new. It's still underneath the vehicle, even though it's not attached, that's fine. We're not worried about things like that, Just remember that these people are pulling their boats down the road in front of you and your family, when you're taking the kids to soccer practice, right? And this is what their tow hitches look like. So, yeah. Anyways, I got a meat buddy that put a sticker on this thing. I got a vehicle that I need to get past too. Except mine doesn't quite look this bad, I guess.
This customer states that after 15 minutes of driving their vehicle, the car will start shaking and not steering very well. Upon further inspection, the customer decided to get a second opinion when they didn't agree with the mechanic.
2005 Chevy Equinox. Customer states after about 15 minutes of driving, it starts jerking. Well, this ain't connected. Inner tie rods both have play. Frame rot to complete oblivion. Rear drive shaft says nope. She's converted to front wheel drive. Doesn't even exist. PCV valve, it's just chilling. It don't need to be plugged in. We don't need that. Belt tensioner just completely left the chat. But I got brand new shocks though, so there's a plus. Oh my lord, this thing is a mess.
This truck driver had some serious road rage when he tried pushing this Tesla into the wall. Not once, but twice at 70 miles an hour. This customer brought their vehicle in for a service, stating that they can keep the cans in the vehicle as a tip.
Oh my goodness. Holy cannoli. Jeez.
This customer brought their car in stating that it takes off on its own, and the accelerator won't slow down.
Okay, boys, we got a new one for you this morning. Come in, get this RO. Says you fire the car up, sounds like it's gonna go 100 miles an hour. I'm like, what the As you can see, I'm on the brake. There's the gas pedal. Somewhere down there. Oh, I already figured it out, boys. I already figured it out. It helps if you don't put your mat there on your gas pedal.
This customer towed their vehicle in as the brakes stopped working. The rotors had never been replaced in 400,000 miles.
Last time I saw a set of brakes like this was when we had a Thunder cheerleader working at the dealership.
Are you implying that she was dumb?
Yes, it was a box of rocks.
Wow.
This customer states that they have a tire light on their Nissan and must have a flat. Upon further investigation, the tires are recommended to be 38 psi, which isn't the case.
Customer states on the Nissan that his tire lights are on. They thought they might be a dead sensor. This one had 65 pounds. This one had 80 pounds. This one has 65. And this one has 70. On a little Nissan Maxima, they should only have 35 pounds.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their car continues running no matter what, even if you turn the vehicle off. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they downshifted into second doing 80 miles an hour, and the pressure plate did this.
Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pressure plate bolts in there.
This customer brought their car in stating that every single light on the dash, front, and rear of the car are on. Mechanic suggests European.
När vi kunde ordna den här till undercover cop car. Det är bara rött. Blått där, rött där, blått där. Vad fan.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.